Careful.
Did you choke? Uh-oh. Did you get in your nose? You're so silly.
Keely, what is that? Is that water?
Uh-oh.
What's the sign for water?
You're such a clown.
Keely, say water.
Did you get water in your nose?
Look at this.
Drown. Show Daddy. I'm gonna get
Say,
you.
Daddy, water.
Keely Jude.
Whoa. Don't fall.
You're so silly.
Whoa, you nearly fell.
She won't do the sign. I taught her the sign today.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
What is it?